If you're a small YouTuber, a beginner affiliate marketer trying to grow your video marketing online, don't make this mistake. You simply can't afford it. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor. I'm Swedish. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve regardless of your location or budget. Please hit subscribe and the bell to get notified so that you don't miss out on tips, tricks and tutorials on this channel. Everything to help you be successful online and happy. I made a huge mistake the other day and I'll tell you all about it, what I lost, what remained, what I gained, and actually what I learned about the YouTube Partner Program as a result. I was doing some admin on my channel and this day I wanted to delete 2 scripts. So I went into deleting the first script and it went fine. And then the reload of my browser made me accidentally click a published, promoted, and fairly successful video. Being not mindful enough, in that moment, I accidentally deleted it. Can you believe the stupidity? The loathing of oneself when you do that? Share in the comments below a mistake that you made recently that made you furious with yourself. And now you're saying, well, Malin, that isn't that big of a deal, is it? Of course, you have a backup on your computer drive, right? Yes, I did. But the time spent on each video is an investment. And now I lost hours. And then you might say, well, can't you recover the file? Just contact YouTube support? Well, you can try, but I'll tell you what I learned about YouTube support and about YouTube Partner Program as a consequence of this in a little bit. I was furious with myself for about 3 hours, and then I decided to investigate the damage. What had I lost? Had I lost the views that came in on that video? Had I lost the watch time? Had I lost consistency? Had I lost subscribers? Had I lost comments? And here's the answer. Yes and no. The video was lost, the comments were lost, and I lost consistency. I didn't lose the views, the watch time, and the subscribers gained. But I'd wasted precious time. And you know how much work goes into a video, the research, the filming, the editing, and that was still there on my drive. But then the posting, tagging, writing title and description, publishing, and promoting on all social channels, all that I had to do again, and that was a waste of time. I'm going to tell you about the YouTube Partner Program in just a little bit. So what did I lose? I lost time, I lost comments, and I lost consistency. What did I gain? I uploaded again and actually I gained new comments, so thanks guys, and more comments than the previous version. I also actually gained new video ideas like this one. And surprisingly enough, the new upload of the video has gained more views than the previous one. So what did I learn about the YouTube Partner Program? Well, I'll tell you what. Recovering a video file is possible if you're a YouTube partner. And to be a YouTube partner, you need to have 1,000 subscribers at least and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Then you can qualify to become a YouTube partner. If you're not, there's no way you can recover that file from YouTube. That I learned in the process. That gives us another motivational factor to keep working, keep going in order to reach those 1,000 subs and the 4,000 watch hours to become a YouTube partner. Because then you can contact YouTube creator support. So don't make this mistake. Learn from my mistake. Don't waste time. Be mindful if you're deleting something from your channel so that it is the right video. Check out my video about grit mindset and I'll see you in the next one.